Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create system image backup on USB drive and restore in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Open File Explorer, click on this PC. This is my system drive C and this is the USB drive, and I want to create system image backup on this USB drive. Now close File Explorer, click on Start menu. In search, type Control Panel, click on Control Panel. Here select Category View, click on System and Security. In System and Security, click on File History. In File History, you will find an option System Image Backup. Click on System Image Backup. Click on Create a System Image. Now looking for backup devices, click on the drop down, select the USB device. I have selected USB device. You can also create system image on DVD drive, or also you can create system image on a network location. I have selected my USB drive. Click on next. The system image will be created from FI system partition, C drive, and Windows recovery environment. This 3 drive is by default selected. If you want to add your data, you can click other volumes also, but I am not selecting any other volumes. Just this 3 drive is selected. Now click on next. The summary is showing here. Now click on Start Backup. Windows is saving the backup. The system backup has been finished. Now I am going to show you how to restore from backup in USB drive. Now click on Start menu, click on Settings, scroll down, and you will find the option Recovery. Click on Recovery. Advanced Start Off. Click on Restart Now here. Click on Restart Now. The system is going to recovery mode. Now the system is in recovery mode, and click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then click on See More Recovery Options. Click on System Image Recovery. By default, the system will find the recovery point. You will find here recovery point location, date, time, and the computer name. Click on Next, Format, and Expandable. This is the summary, and click on Finish. Click on Yes to continue. Up, and restore has been finished. Now click on Restart Now. Look, the system image has been restored successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.